Hello there. I want to share my nighttime skincare routine using my amazing Norwex. Now, there are some products from the Norwex line that I do repeat from the morning routine, but I definitely do things a little bit differently so that I can get the maximum benefit and maximum results. That's what we're going for, right? So, just like in the mornings, I always start with the body and face cloth. This is one of my favorite cloths. It gently removes the impurities. It removes all of my makeup. It leaves my skin feeling fresh and ready for any of the next steps. And with this, what I love is we only use water to cleanse and exfoliate the skin. It honestly has been a blessing, eliminating the need for harsh soaps, cleansers, waterproof eye makeup. I've seen my skin transform over the last several years since I got rid of so many different cleansers and just switched to this. Now, after the body and face cloth, I go in with the Norwex Cleansing Facial Powder. So I don't use this in the mornings because that's when I take a shower. And because of the way this works, I don't want to use it right after getting out of that hot shower when all of my pores are open and much more sensitive. So I save this one for the evenings. And to use it, it's easy. We simply mix a small amount of powder with water and form a paste. We'll gently massage that into our wet face in a circular motion. Now, I like to let it sit on the skin for a second to really work its magic and get into those pores. And then I'll rinse well, wipe away any residue with the clean side of my body and face cloth. So this is great for the skin. It has amazing ingredients like kaolin clay to help purify and remove impurities from the skin without drying it out. Such a huge benefit. It has rice protein in it. That's known for its amazing moisturizing and brightening effects, giving the skin a very fresh and vibrant look. It also has aloe extract, which I love. So it soothes the skin and provides hydration, making it ideal for anyone with sensitive skin types. And just like all Norwex amazing products, it's without parabens and phthalates, ensuring a safer, more natural approach to the way we deeply cleanse our skin and also what we put on it afterwards. Now, after I've dried my skin, I do apply our Smoothing Bakuchiol Serum. This is a natural plant-based alternative to retinol. It is great for wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin tone, and our texture. This serum truly revitalizes our skin while we're sleeping, providing us with a rejuvenated glow without any harshness or waste of other things like I'm a little scared of, right? The chemical peels and things like that. So each one of these vegan and biodegradable capsules is packed with bakuchiol. It's a gentle and natural plant-based alternative to retinol that smooths fine lines and wrinkles while improving our texture. It also has sea fennel extract, which is another, in a way, alternative to retinol. It has vitamins A, C, and E, which rejuvenate our complexion. It boosts the radiance. The vitamin E in it is amazing. It provides an antioxidant protection. Also, black currant, which is a very powerful Nordic antioxidant, but super gentle. Now, at this point, I stop my skincare routine. I just take a break. I apply the bakuchiol and I step away. Maybe I brush my teeth, brush my hair, do any other little odds and ends I need to do that. And I'm giving the bakuchiol a chance to deeply penetrate into the skin. I like waiting 1 to 5 minutes before I go on to the next step. The next step is my rejuvenating serum, which I also use in the mornings. This is so good. It's perfect for reducing visible signs of aging, and it also improves the elasticity of our skin. Now, I'm in my 50s, so anything that's going to do that, I'm going to gravitate towards. But it also works on brightness and hydration. I've been using this product for quite some time, and I love the ingredients. They are safe and just so effective. It has peptides, which enhance the skin's elasticity. Also, niacinamide, which brightens the skin. Glacial water, which is a very mineral rich. It hydrates and refreshes our skin, plus some amazing Nordic antioxidants, which protect our skin and also rejuvenate it. Then I apply my renewing eye cream. Okay, this helps with all the things, the dark circles, the puffiness. It smooths out those fine lines and wrinkles. You'll just notice it's much brighter. I love how much it hydrates and revitalizes that under eye area. And what I love about this is it's safe to use from lash line to brow line. Did you know that most eye creams, including some of the very high-end brands, say right on the packaging, do not get near the eyes? That's just crazy to me. It's an eye cream. This eye cream has safe and effective ingredients for our delicate eye area. Again, with that glacial water coming in, it's ultra pure, intensely hydrating. Also has Nordic antioxidant complex, which are skin stabilizing oils, probiotics, which help strengthen the skin's barrier, which is so important as we age, right? Now, the last step in my nighttime routine is typically going to be just the Detox and Restore Hydrating Night Cream. This cream supports the skin's microbiome and it helps detox and restore the skin from all the environmental stuff while we sleep. And I love how nourishing it is. It just detoxifies everything. And it also protects us against free radicals and anything environmental that might be stressing the skin out. It is intensely hydrating. It improves the skin's texture while we sleep, does all the work for us. And I love the thicker, more luxurious texture to this. It's just really, also has mushrooms. You know how great mushrooms are, right? The ingredients in general are really amazing. Again, with that Nordic antioxidant blend that nourish and help detoxify the skin, activated glacial water, which provide that intense hydration, antioxidants, and also adaptogens. And they protect our skin against environmental stressors. It's sustainable, bio-based, and it's just wonderful. It's also refillable. Most of the skincare is refillable at Norwex. I love that this is derived from plants and other renewable sources. Now, most of the time, I'm going to stop right there and go to bed, right? But sometimes I will include my illuminating oil because I'm a little bit obsessed with this. I like that it locks everything in. It's so good. It nourishes, it hydrates, it has all of these amazing fatty acids in it that our skin actually craves. It craves it even more as we age. I love that it smooths and evens out everything. And I just feel like it just locks it all in. Now, sometimes I'll go to bed just finishing off with the night cream, but I will very often grab my illuminating oil, just 3 to 5 drops, finish it off with. It has bilberry, red algae, black oat. The antioxidants are amazing. It has it has 13 skin-friendly oils, actually. So it's like food for the skin. And I love the evening primrose in it, which helps with the skin's elasticity. So there you have it. There's my nightly routine with Norwex's amazing skincare products, and also how I incorporate this amazing Bakuchiol Serum, which is designed for evening use. So thanks for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and sweet dreams. Bye, guys.